Hello friends, I'm Andy from Montessori Supply India. I really hope you have seen my last uploaded video of world map that I had shown you its quality and its beauty. Today I bring to you a set of 6 latches sold together which are generally taught in Montessori. Firstly, please note that this is not a presentation. I want to show you the quality and the beauty of these latches. These boards are made of birch ply and the latches are made of brass. We will start with the first one, which is called a hook latch. The hook latch goes like this, opens up like this, and it's like this. Very beautiful. And then we go to the next one, which is called the door latch. This is called the door latch. It opens up like this. Here it goes like this. Then it goes back, and I put it back. And now we come back to here. This latch is called the bolt latch. This is the bolt latch. These latches are so beautiful that you will fall in love the first sight. Now we come to this latch. This latch is called a window latch. This is a window latch. This is a window latch. And then this, I think so, is called a casp latch. Casp. C-A-S-P, casp latch. And this is called a hasp latch. H-A-S-P. Hasp latch. Believe me, the directress or the teacher will love to feel and teach, and the child will love to touch and learn. This is the cabinet for the 6 latch boards sold separately. This is made up of birch wood also. I've just put in one of the latch board to show you that how it goes and how you can remove and keep it. All 6 of them will go inside. But this is sold separately, I tell you once again. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please press the like button and subscribe to our channel. And also click the bell icon to receive the future notifications.